For more information, see the description below. Namaste. So this is page 31. This is going to be Pratyutsara.
Pratyutsara. Pratyutsara.
Pratyutsara. Okay.
Prati utsaryate iti pratyutsarah. Prati utsaryate.
Prati
Utsaryate iti pratyutsarah.
utsaryate iti
Pratyutsarah. Defeating the opposition to establish.
Defeating
the opposition to establish. To establish a principle by the author is called Pratyutsara.
Okay.
That means there will be so many opinions, but the author does not want to accept it. He wanted to establish his view. Okay?
Okay.
Such conditions are called Pratyutsara. Come on, read it, you will understand. Pratyutsaro nama, or what is that?
Pratyutsaraha. Just a sec. Pratyutsaraha.
Yadam. Padadi. Pada. Adyandyam.
Pada.
Adyandyam.
This is going to be the second or just Pada.
Pada. Adyandyamadyalopo. Adyandyamadyalopo.
Lopo.
Lopo. Oh, this is something different definition.
Lo. Adyantyam. There is what there? And this is going to be Dya. Right?
Madhya lopo. I have given the meaning according to Ashtanga Hridaya. This is something different. Okay, no problem. Okay, you write down.
Pratyutsaha pada.
Pada adyanda madhyalopo.
Madhya
Lopo.
Lopo. Yathayatam. Okay.
You write down.
Yes.
Pada means word.
Yes.
Adi and Madhya. The first, the end, and the middle.
Adi
is the first.
Okay.
Anta is the end. Madhya is the middle.
Yes.
Lopaha means non-expression or deletion.
Okay.
Adhyana Madhya Lopo Yathayadam, as such. Yathayadam means as such. Write the meaning in a sentence. In an expression, if the author does not use the terms Adi, Anta and Madhya
Okay.
to show the order in which the processes or the treatments has to be done.
Okay.
Such expressions are called
It's going to be implicit, that word.
Such expressions are called pratyutsara. But this is not the pratyutsara, the term meaning I have given to you. That is actually about opposition. But here he is speaking about pratyutsara, means skipping. The word here it is pratyutsara. Prati utsarati. Kramam prati utsarati. Following according to the krama. Okay. Prati plus utsaraha. Prati utsarati iti pratyutsaraha. Kramam prati gacchati iti pratyutsaraha.
So,
Moving towards the order without
Prati-
mentioning.
okay.
Prati utsarati iti pratyutsaraha.
Yes.
Moving towards the order.
Okay.
That's all. That is what is pratyutsara. That is the meaning you have to take here. The other one is not like that. It goes towards the provable things, deleting or defeating the oppositions.
Okay. This is Ashtanga Sangraha
This is
or
Sangraha.
Hrida?
This is Sangraha. Other one is I told you about Hridaya and Charaka. That means Arunadatta and Charaka. Okay, anyhow, this meaning we'll write now. See the example? Then it can be clear.
But you said Prati Utsarati iti
Iti
Pratyusaraha Gachati.
Kramam prati gacchati. Kramam prati gacchati. Moving towards the order.
Okay.
That means he does not have to say that you do this first, then you do this, then you do this. The author does not have to say. If you say 4 karmas, it should be done according to the order in which the sentence is written. Simple example. Get up in the morning, brush the teeth, wash the face, do abhyanga, take bath. If the author told, even though he is told that first you get up, then you brush, then you, he did not use the term then. Even without that, as it is told one after the another, you should take it as krama. Clear?
So it's an implicit order.
Yeah. So without using the term Adi, Madhya and Anta, the learner should understand that it is one after another. Clear?
So when you have Vayo Horati Bhuktanam Tentamadhyadika Kramat, so we're having that order that it's implicitly speaking about Vata, Pitta and Kapha.
Yeah.
So in this case is Pratyutsara or it's another, because we are joining to get the meaning completely.
This is not like that. This is
Yeah.
about karma, activities,
Yes.
especially action.
Okay, I understand your point. So if we say
See,
in Panchakarma,
yes, Snehapana,
yeah.
Swedana, and Virechana. he did not mention that first you do Snehavana, then you do Snehana, then
Okay.
he did not use first this, second this, third this. But still you should understand that it is first one this, second one this, third one this. But he will not change the order. He will tell like this only, but he will not use the word Adyam Snehavanam, Tadasvedanam, Tadaviredanam. He will not have used. But even though he does not use, you should understand it as one after the other. Such way of expressions are called. But this is, according to Arunadatta, this will come under another tool.
Okay.
He put this one under
Yes.
here, Tandrayuti. That's the speciality. Okay, no problem. That is Artha.
But tad is that and tada is then.
Yeah.
Okay. Did you see that table that I sent you
Hmm?
in the WhatsApp? Did you see about etat and tad?
Yeah, today morning I have seen, but I did
Okay.
not get the time.
See if it's correct.
I did not get
Because
the time.
I'm
Morning
starting
I got
to-
up, I went to the temple, I came, 8:30 I started my class, up to 10 o'clock class, one cut and coffee I took, I came to you. Now getting up, till that I am busy.
So this, when we are reading Ashtanga Hridaya here, we are going to use the definition of Arunadatta, not the definition of Ashtanga Sangraha, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because, see, Ashtanga Sangraha is written for that purpose. But when Arunadatta has added so many, Arthasraya, Kalpana, so many tools are added by Arunadatta in his book. Understood? This will come under Arthasraya according to Arunadatta. Adi Madhya Bandha Padalopaha. Okay, no problem. I will explain to you. Don't worry.
Okay.
Either in the class or in the note, I will explain those things to you. Don't worry.
Okay, it's clear.
Come on. He is given example. You see what is the example he has given?
Veganam
Vegana
Darayet.
Darayet. Roganutpadani.
Darayet.
Darayet will be the okay.
Will be
Vegana Darayet will
This
be
is the
here. You
ta.
see.
This is the ta?
Not the. See, actually, this fellow is putting the quotation mark here. You read together. Vegana Darayet Ityado. Darayet Ityado. That fellow is such a strong painting. He confused the people just like
Darayet.
Vegana Darayet is a Loganutpadaniyam Adhyayam.
Yes.
Okay. What is the meaning of Vegana Darayet?
The retention of natural
Adya
flow.
may not be done. Okay. Adya Shabda, you see, Adya Shabda. Read.
Where are the okay. But this
Atha
is
Shabda. Atha.
Ditya Dao.
Ityado.
What is Ditya Dao?
Tu will go here. Then
Okay.
remaining Ityado.
Okay.
Ityado. In
Okay.
this line, in this statement is the meaning.
Okay.
Atha Shabda. Adya Shabda or Adha Shabda?
Ada Shabda Adipa. This is the Adipa da Lopa.
Lopaha.
When you cannot understand what it is the Adipa. But this D is okay. This D is very terrible. Adipa da Lopa.
Lopaha.
Okay.
Let me see what is his meaning to say. This textbook is really dangerous. Actually, the quotation is Vegana Dharayet. Okay?
Okay.
But immediately after this Vegana Dharayet, he is using the word Athovatasya.
Okay.
He is using the word Athovadasya. You just don't look at the book, you just hear me and understand. First he told Vegana Dharayet.
Okay.
Immediately after he is saying that Athovadasya.
Okay.
Okay?
Mm-hmm.
So, which Vegas are very important here? When he is mentioning Athovadasya in the immediately after line, he is using Athovadasya. Which Vegas are to be understood here? Whether it is Urdhva Vega or Atho Vega?
They are Adho.
Atho Vega. But the author did not mention Atho Veganna Dharayat, he did not use. He used only Veganna Dharayat.
Yeah.
But immediately after that sentence, he is using that Athovadasya
Okay.
Rodhana. If you block the Athovana, these problems will happen.
Okay.
So, you should read the previous word as Atho Veganna Dharayat.
Okay.
But you got that Ataha where from? From reading the next line.
Okay.
Right? So the author did not use the Atha Shabda before Vega Shabda, but
Okay.
you must understand the meaning by adding that Atha Shabda over there.
In this sentence,
this
maybe in
context. In this
another
context.
sentences is going to be Urdhva.
Yeah,
and
it can be anything.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes.
So in that particular context, from the second line, the reader has to understand that there is a Shabda Atha which is not used by the author because he understood that by reading the second line the learner can understand it is Atho Veganna Dharayat.
Okay.
Clear? Clear?
Clear.
So how will you understand? While explaining about the discomfortability due to Athovata, right, while explaining about the defects of controlling Athovada, the author uses only Veganna Dharayet. Without mentioning the Atha Shabda before Vegan. This type of expressions are called Adipada Lopa Pratyutsara. Adipada Lopa Pratyutsara. Hope you understood. Adipada Lopa Pratyutsara. Clear? What is the next line here? You read the next line, then you can understand.
Okay. So this is going to be Drava, Dravya, Vijnaniya. So this is another chapter.
Yeah, it's the name of the chapter.
Yes.
Which comes before Dravya Vijnaniya?
It's Roganutpadam.
After Dravya Vijnaniya, which one comes?
Anagnana.
After Anajnana, Anaraksha, which one?
Samraksha. The protection of food.
No, I am asking the name of the chapters.
I don't know the name. I only know that word in the shloka there.
Chapter's name you tell. First chapter name is?
Ayushkama,
Next one is?
Dinacharya,
Third chapter is
Praticharya,
fourth chapter.
Yoganutpad
The Niyam.
Niyam,
Next one is
Drava. What?
that is what is I want. Next word only I want.
Drava Vijnaniyam.
Only Drava Vijnaniyam?
I don't know, sir.
Drava Swarupa Vijnaniyam.
Okay.
Then he is telling Drava Dravya Vijnaniyam only he is telling. After that again Anna Swarupa Vijnaniyam he will tell.
Okay.
Drava Swarupa Vijnaniyam, Anna Swarupa Vijnaniyam. But in middle one chapter what he used? Drava Dravya Vijnaniyam only he told.
Okay.
What you should understand from
That it's the.
Drava Dravya?
It's going to be the both chapters.
One chapter he told Drava Swarupa Vijnaniyam.
Yes.
Next chapter he told Drava Dravya Vijnaniyam. Next chapter he is telling that Anna Swarupa Vijnaniyam. What is the difference between these three chapters? Heading.
One is about liquids, Dravya.
Okay. I don't want that answer. Drava Swarupa Vijnaniyam, Drava Dravya Vijnaniyam, Anna Swarupa Vijnaniyam. What is the difference in the expression or terming these three chapters heading?
You explained yesterday that Anna is the thing that
Not like that.
is going
Drava, he is telling that it is not Drava Vijnaniyam, it is Drava Swarupa Vijnaniyam.
to be of the nature of the Dravas.
Swarupa is going to be explained. Drava Swarupa is one. But next one, he is not telling that Swarupa term at all. He is telling Drava Dravya Vijnaniyam. Actually, what he would have used? Drava Dravya Swarupa Vijnaniyam he would have told. But he did not use the word Swarupa over there.
Okay.
Next chapter he is using Anna Swarupa Vijnaniyam is telling.
The nature of the food.
Forget about the meaning.
Okay.
When he gives the name of the chapter, one chapter he is told Drava Swarupa Vijnaniyam.
Okay.
Next chapter he is giving only Drava Dravya Vijnaniyam. Next chapter he is telling that Anna Swarupa
Okay.
Vijnaniyam. He is deliberately left the term Swarupa in the Drava Dravya.
Okay. That's
Okay.
clear.
Ah.
What is the implication? Is
Yes,
not clear.
yes. So what you are going to chapter about Drava Dravya, about what you are going to learn in the chapter, it is not mentioned by the author. He is telling only Drava Dravya Vijnaniyam, which aspect he did not tell. But
Okay.
Drava, when he told that it is Swarupa, I am
Swarupa.
going to teach you.
Okay.
Okay. Anna, whenever he told, it is Anna Swarupa he told. So it is very clear. I am going to learn about the Swarupa of Anna. I am going to learn the Swarupa of Drava. But Drava Dravya. So what aspect of the Drava Dravya I am going to learn? It is not mentioned by the author over there. But actually which word is there? Swarupa word is there. Why Swarupa is there? Previous one also is speaking about the Swarupa. Next one also speaking about Swarupa. So automatically who has to come? Swarupa must be there. But it is not used by
Yeah.
the author. So what he has done? Drava Dravya Swarupa Vijnaniyam. The term in the middle he left. Which is the term in the middle here?
Swarup. So it's simplicity, not just simplicity order. It's simplicity of anything.
That's all. That's all.
Implicity.
So this is called Madhyama Padaloka.
Okay.
So this type of expression is there, then you must understand there is the Swarupa is there. So I am going to learn Swarupa. Clear?
Clear.
Next one. Next example is read that. Paratra Swarupa Vijnaniya. See, he used the word Swarupa Vijnaniya, but he is not using the word Dravadravya Vijnaniya. Then we must enter that Swarupa is there. That is why Dinacharya Ityasya Dineshu Purushasya Charya na tu
So,
अध्यायस्य तेन चर्या विज्ञानीयमिति वक्तव्ये विज्ञानीय शब्दो अन्ते लोपा. He made everything complicated.
in the end of the book, the commentary doesn't make a lot of compliments to that part. He says, "Oh, Nilameg is not good there."
That's why I told you now, that fellow,
Because Statement which do not fix a rule rigid but give an option for suitable variant. Nilamega takes Vikalpa in second meaning as design as the undecided by adduction various points.
Don't read these words. I will tell you, Pratyutsara Andima Padalopa, the last word will be deleted. Okay. So such lopas are called Andima Padalopa. Wow,
Okay.
to tell that one.
But the biggest point is that
But
there
this
is
is not
something
that much.
implicit
I'll
there.
tell you, this is not that much important for either clinical application or textual understanding. This is simple. This is actually Arthasraya. This is not that much very important Tandrayukti. Okay. But
This
still you should
is
understand.
this present in Charaka also because there is Charak here.
This you can Pratyutsara Charaga uses the other meaning.
Okay.
Pratyutsara means when you wanted to introduce a principle or the statement, there will be many oppositions. What he will do, he will say all these opinions are not acceptable and my opinion is acceptable, he will say. Such expressions are called Tandrayukti.
In Charak.
Yeah. Even in Charaga, even in Hridaya also like that. But this person has given another interpretation. It's not that much important. This is Arthasraya.
Okay. Done?
Now, enter into next one. I will explain that one to you.
So, 35.
Yeah.